Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the built-in Emergency SOS feature on your iPhone which I bet you didn't know about. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card voucher to a random subscriber every week. You just need to subscribe and comment on my last video for this week. The link should appear at the top right. Winner will be announced on Sunday 14th March 2021. iPhone's Emergency SOS function could actually save your life by sharing your real-time location with the police or ambulance services. This emergency function sends a text message with your location at the time it's sent and continues to send updates of your movements. So this can be done on all the iPhones ranging from 6S to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. To begin with, let me first show you how to do it on your latest iPhone like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. To activate the Emergency SOS feature, just simultaneously hold down the volume up, volume down, and power button until the SOS feature appears. Then you can drag the SOS slider to the right to call the emergency services. Or if you keep holding all the buttons down, a counter will start and at 3, a siren will start off. After the countdown ends, a text message will be sent with your location to the emergency services. On an iPhone where you have the home button like the 6S and the iPhone 7, to activate the Emergency SOS feature, you need to lock your phone first, then tap on the power button 5 times until you see the SOS slider. If you drag the SOS slider to the right, it will call the emergency services and it won't send a text message. You can always end the call by pressing the stop button on your screen. After the call has ended, the emergency services will receive an update with your location. No matter what iPhone you have, your location services will turn on automatically when using the SOS function. And there you go, that is how to use the built-in Emergency SOS feature on your iPhone, which I bet you didn't know about. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.